Hello my dear kids. Today we are going to draw not on a drawing paper, but it's called graph paper. Okay, so you can see grids are there, all the squares. This is called a grid pattern, and now we are going to draw a design on this. If you can see, I have numbered it from left to right and top to bottom. So it starts 0 from here, and then for each square I have given a number on this line, 1 2 3 4, right? And from top to bottom also this is a 0 and 1 2 3 4 likewise. So we are going to draw a design so that it should be in the middle of the paper, right? So what I'm going to do is, it should be approximately in the middle of the paper. So for your reference, I'm telling you this. I'm taking a grid of number 5 from left side and number 9 from above. So I will draw a swastik here. I guess everyone knows how to draw a swastik, and I'm drawing a swastik here. Okay, and I'm going to extend this by 1 square each. Fine. And now I'm going to join this here like this. So I've just joined this here. So this way you have to do it. Now we are going to draw 5 similar designs here. 1 will be near this and 3 will be in between them. Okay, now I am continuing with this. It should be on the same line, right? So I am continuing with the 5 number, and here I am taking number 16. Okay, so at the column of number 16 I will be drawing a swastik here. Okay, and again I'm going to extend it by 1 line, and now you have to just join this on the other line to create the design. Okay, now I'm taking here number 12 and number 5 from above. So I'll be drawing a swastik here. Similarly, you have to extend. We are going to follow with the same pattern. I'm doing it fast to show it to you. Now I'm drawing a third swastik here in this row, and the middle one I will draw it afterwards. Okay, I'm continuing with the row 12, and for column I'm taking number 19. So from above 19 number is there, and from here I'm continuing with the number 12. So I'll be drawing a swastik here. I'm going to do, I want the middle swastik slightly above this, above these two, and in the middle of this. So what I'm doing, I'm taking number 11 from row side, left side, and number 12 from above. So it will be in the middle of these two. Okay, so this way our drawing is complete. Isn't it looking beautiful? Have you ever imagined that this graph paper, which is used for mathematics, could work so wonderful for drawing art also? Now we will color this. Okay, now let's start coloring. I have so many colors. You can choose any of your choice, but see to it that there will be a pattern. While we are coloring, we need to follow the pattern. First, color the borders of the design and then color in between. Okay. So if you can see, I am following a pattern. I am coloring one portion of swastik and the opposite of it, so the swastik can be seen nicely. And now I am choosing this blue color. Yes. So I've done yellow and blue here. I'll be choosing orange. You can select any color of your choice. First color the borders and then fill the colors inside. So in this manner we are going to color all the 5 swastiks. So kids, I'm done with the coloring. Now we will border it with black sketch pen. You have to be very careful and you should draw a straight line while bordering the design. So I'm done with bordering with black sketch pen. It is looking beautiful, isn't it? Make one. Thank you.